How to fix error performing request unknown error on Android. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the settings and here search for the call settings. Go to the call settings, tap on call forwarding setting and make sure that the call forwarding is set to off, as here you can see it's already off. So check for both the networks and make sure that it's off. Then go to the phone call and make sure to provide the correct pin. So giving the incorrect pin will not work, so just go back and then go to the settings and then here tap on SIM card and mobile network and make sure to toggle on this dual 4G option. Then after, go back, scroll down the notification panel and turn on aeroplane mode for 20 seconds and turn it off after that, and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.